Yo, today guys, it's your favorite alien shinobi Zulez, and I'm back once again with yet another video. Hope you guys are having a blessed week, blessed month, and blessed year, making what everyone have in life happen. Have you guys been? If you're new to the channel, welcome to the Alien Mob. Don't forget to join the Discord to be a part of the community, get to know each other, build friendships more than beyond just in the comment section, you guys. How you guys doing today? If you're not new, welcome back, y'all. Love and appreciate y'all. I'm excited for this one more than anything. You already know the rules. If you want to be a part of the transformation team, take charge of not just how you eat and watch what you do, and take control of your body, but how you train to be the best version you can physically. Be happy at what you look back in the mirror and feel good internally, and live a long longevity life, and be a part of my community, be a part of my team, because I'm training right there with you. Your boy's getting them gains. I'm feeling great. And some of us, if you follow me on Snapchat, you know what I'm talking about. Be a part of the team and stuff like that. And we are going to have a discussion. When the private Facebook group is open for those who are already a part of my transformation team, is on the way. My team, it's already on the way. But here, guys, I'm excited for this reaction more than anything. Full unedited reaction will be a part of the Patreon. If you're part of from the reaction channel, you all know the rules. This just gives you access to unedited reactions. That's it. It's $5, nothing more, nothing else, nothing crazy. Whenever I drop a video, that's when the unedited reaction gets access to, or whenever it's uploaded to the folder, which you will give access through Dropbox, is how I add you in. So therefore, you not only do you get access when it drops, but you can watch it over and over and over again as much as you want. It will always have access to it. Because those who are part of it now currently, I think they still have access to all the reactions that were uploaded before, unless they got removed. Do not remember, but Demon Slayer, we're past the filler, we're past the bullshit, we're past the goddamn following every anime that does this, that makes anime movies and then puts them in the spliced episodes to fill up the fucking series while we wait for the new season. It is here. We have the sound Hashira, who I've been told by my friend group that I should cosplay because I'm tall and he got 3 wives, and we about to meet the new demon, and we're gonna see Tanjiro and those scans Zenitsu again. R.I.P. Rengoku, the real one. The one thing I do appreciate though, out of the Mugen Train arc episodes, was the first one when we got to see what he was doing leading up to the Mugen Train, and we got a real feel of how selfless this man really was. Like, if you watch that episode, and I can go on about it, how selfless Rengoku really was, and why he was how he was, and how he was, just made you appreciate how fast we fell in love and felt heartbroken to a downright floor, just crying level for a character so fast with how it was developed. Thank you guys for that. But anyway, we are here now. Season 2 officially is here. Sound Hashira Tengen Uzui. And yes, your boy will be downloading eventually and getting soon the Demon Slayer game. I was just waiting for more characters to be in it because I don't want to. I've already played the Mugen Train. I'm waiting for there to be another mission arc or something, or more characters, like more to play with, and then I'll get the game. But anyway, let's waste no time. We're gonna watch this. Arcane reactions are on the way. I'm still waiting to. I have to download a converter software. So once I get that, I'm trying not to pay a bunch of money to get a converter software. So my homeboy should be dropping me a flash drive with a full version on it, and then I can install it and then do that. So those last 2 episode reactions of the last ones will be on the way. Don't worry, I got y'all. I know you're waiting. But till then, Demon Slayer. Oh, no, don't make me relive this. Bro, we just started. Don't make me relive this. Don't make me relive this. Oh. Bro, not only did we get a feel of how strong Rengoku was, but we also got a feel of how scary fucking strong these upper moons are, bro. And he kept his fucking word. Nobody fucking died. He knew this is the thing. I don't know if it was confirmed. I don't know if we know this, but why they gotta do us like that in the beginning, yo? Oh. Bro, it's a Sunday. It is 10:40 a.m. It is too damn early on the Lord's Day to be doing this. I don't want to pause it again, but I have to. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm overwhelmed because of how excited I am, and I'm sure many of you are as well. But you gotta, like, now that we're here, as much as we were mad and we waited, you gotta admit the prolongedness of them teasing us, and then we see some Mugen Train arc, and those who watched it all over again and had to relive it, and the little gimmicks that were there. But now that we're here, it's really setting in. We really lost someone, bro. We really lost someone and felt so much potential, saw so much of their life in so little episodes. And it's setting in like not only the pain, the suffering, what went down, that we're here going forward, but now, fuck. Oh no. Oh no. He's getting the news. He said you are a coward whatever way you look at it. We are humans fighting you in your terrain of darkness, and you cower when as soon as the sun rises. Woo! Oh, that's a bad walk. That's a slow creep walk. That boy is turned. Wait a minute. Is that what's his name? Muzen? Is that Michael Jackson? As a kid? Is that Michael Jackson as a kid? I would never. What? You gotta work for this motherfucker. It's a foregone conclusion. He said it's a guaranteed thing to happen. A cat caught a mouse. Cool. I get that. That's a foregone. It's going to happen. It's an outcome guaranteed to happen just as much as a dog will get a cat. Vice versa. What I want to annihilate all of them. When you do that, then you have accomplished a feat. Till then, you are just doing the inevitable. I would never want to work for this man. Got rid of him. This man is ruthless. Akaza. 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 That man got a grudge now. That man got a grudge now. Woo-wee. Oh my God, this is setting the tone nicely. Let's make a lesson right here. Talent is not determined how successful or how great you can be at something. Those who are born with natural talent a lot of times never grow up to be great because they don't put in the hard work. Rengoku wasn't born with the talent to be a demon slayer, to be a swordsman, but he put in the work to become one of the greatest there ever was. And I think his father's in denial about it, and that's why he's talking shit. Sun breathing technique. So, hold on. Okay, so you remember when he asked Rengoku about the technique or whatever that he did with his father's, the dance that his father did, that ended up being a technique he used to kill one of the lower moons, right? I'm guessing he talked to his father and asked him about it, and he knows it as sun breathing, which is why he can still do water breathing and fire breathing, probably. I have no idea, but I'm guessing that's what this has to do with. He straight headbutted that man. Ooh-wee. I don't know what it is with everything dropping on a Sunday. Got people feeling feels from music videos all the way around anime. I love how Demon Slayer is able to create those little random, awkward, funny moments within serious moments to break the tension to get you ready for the next section. Like, my dream house is definitely going to have, like, a room like that. I forget what we call them, whether you just have a Zen garden, because that would be so peaceful for me. Oh, I would be there all the time, just... Woo! Just the thought of it gets me... Whew. Uh-oh. Oh, that's Sword Maker. That's Sword Maker. He broke another sword. That's Sword Maker. Oh, he broke another sword. He's fucked. He's about to get his ass beat. What is it? Haganezuka. Haganezuka. The last time he broke a sword, my man almost murdered him. We got out of this sad moment. Yo, hold on. Look how swollen they getting, but Zenitsu's just bitching all his way through. You know who Zenitsu reminds me of? I have a friend that I call Zen. He's a part of our transformation team. We're part of the workout group, and I call him Zenitsu because he behaves and talks like it reminds me of him. Oh, that double team. That nasty ass double team. Hmm? Huh? What? Why was she taking them in the first place? Why was he taking them in the first place? That boy fast as fuck, yo! What? That boy fast as fuck! From that instant. Bro, look at this. From the moment he jumped up. Watch right here. Leaps up. In this instant. Why does this voice actor sound familiar? It's not Zoro. Is it Zoro? No, it's not Zoro. Is it Zoro? No, it's not Zoro. Who is this voice actor? I've heard him voice somebody that I really fuck with in another anime. Ooh! Yo! My boy said, who do you mean we? My man said, we'll go in her place. My man said, what do you mean we? Zenitsu, look to your left, my boy. And don't forget Nezuko-chan. Yes, sir. On guard with the growl. Squad. That boy got... Oh boy, here we go, yo. Is this the new Demon Slayer opening? Oh, this is the new Demon Slayer opening. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, this is fresh. Oh, we're gonna find out about his past. Already explained Demon Slayer. I mean, not Demon Slayer, Demon Form, Nezuko. The other person that we saw is definitely a demon. Now, if I remember correctly from what my manga friends were telling me, this is another spoiler alert. I'm pretty sure that the demon in the Demon Entertainment District is part... It has a brother, but they lived as one. I don't know if they are in the same body, but shapeshift in and out, or if they're connected, but two separate bodies, but connected as one. Because I remember them saying they had to fight them. I don't know. I could be wrong. I could be completely wrong. I could be just thinking of another set of demons in the upper class. But anyway, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, if you're watching this on YouTube, right, this part, this is probably me cutting out the new anime opening, because we already know this is the opening. cutting that out and making this uploaded today. But if you want to see the full unedited reaction to this episode, it'll be on the Patreon. It will be edited and up on the YouTube soon. Thank you guys for love and support. I got to get ready to do some things, so I'm out. Peace.